Picture this. You're in your 70s, you wake up, make your coffee, and head out for a short walk. No diabetes, no heart disease, or any chronic diseases. Your brain is sharp enough to crush a crossword puzzle. Sounds like a dream, right? Actually, it's not that hard to be that person. In a new research done by Harvard University that tracked 120,000 people for 30 years and discovered the habits that make this dream come true. And today, I'm going to break down what they found and give you 5 easy swaps you can start today. Hey there, I'm Nima and I'm doing my PhD in population health. And my job here is to teach science-based habits to improve your overall health. So let's begin. Section 1. Why this matters. Most of us think aging and stay healthy is about luck or having good genes. But this study proves something powerful, which is your daily choices matters more than you think. So healthy aging isn't just living longer, it's living better. Now, why does this matter? Because right now, the average person spends the last 10 years of their lives managing chronic conditions. That's a decade of pills, doctor visits, and limitations. And if you're like me, you want habits that fit into your tight schedule, not 2-hour gym sessions or complicated meal plans. Just science-backed swaps. So what exactly did a study find? Let's dive in. Section 2. The study breakdown. This research published in Nature Medicine and as I mentioned, followed over 120,000 people in 30 years. Research looked at their diet patterns, lifestyle habits, and health outcomes. Here's what they found. People with diets rich in plants, nuts, and legumes, and low in ultra-processed foods were far more likely to hit 70 in great health. You may say maybe these people were super active, never smoked, or never drank an alcohol. But this is not the case, since their results was adjusted for exercise, smoking, and other factors. That showed the diet is the huge factor and matters actually a lot. And no, you don't have to go full vegan or drink crazy amount of kale smoothies, which doesn't taste actually great. But rather, it's all about patterns, not perfection. Now, let's talk about why these foods work. Section 3. Why do these foods matter? High amount of polyphenols. What are these? Are bioactive compounds that fight with inflammation, and also healthy fats that protect your heart, and last but not least, fiber that feeds your gut microbiome. I will talk about these components a lot in future videos, so stay around and hit that like and follow button. I really appreciate it. So let's get back to the video. Think of these compounds as a building of a health safety net. Every plant-based meal adds a new shield to your body. And here's something fascinating. Your gut health actually influences your brain health as well. So those beans and nuts, they are not just good for your rest line. They're also good for your memory too. Alright, that's enough of theory stuff. Let's get practical. Section 4. 5 practical swaps that you can do today. Here's how to start without too much hassle. Add 1 handful of nuts daily into your diet. Can be any kind of nuts, almonds, walnuts, pistachios. And you may ask why. Because nuts are packed with healthy fats and antioxidants. Number 2 is swap 1 processed snack like overnight chips or biscuits for fruit or Greek yogurt. This single change changed the whole afternoon of my life. No more sugar crashes. And number 3, replace one meat meal with beans or lentils weekly. And here's the bonus, it's cheaper and surprisingly filling. Fourth, cook with olive oil instead of butter. And number 5 is keep ultra processed foods under 20% of your calories, which means only about 1/5 of what you eat should be ultra processed. So my suggestion is start with one swap. Don't try to do all 5 at once. Remember, small changes always stick. Personally, I started with nuts because they are easy to swap. 6 months later, I feel more energetic and less need for snacks in the afternoons. So let's wrap this up. Based on research, we know that healthy aging isn't some sort of a luck. It's actually your daily habits. So tell me, which soap would you try first? Drop in the comments. And grab my free healthy aging checklist link in the description. If you find this content helpful, hit like and subscribe for more science-based habits.